How to make a hotel bed. You can easily get the same premium, luxurious look on your bed at home that you find in hotels. Making your bed with the same technique found in hotels will not only bring your whole room together but give you a better night's rest. Part 1. Preparing your bed. 1. Remove everything from your bed. To begin achieving that perfect hotel-like bed experience, you'll want to start from scratch. Starting with a blank slate will get you in the mindset of creating that perfect, clean, and comfortable bedding experience. It will also help you make your bed correctly, going step by step. 2. Grab clean bedding. To get the most out of making your bed, and feel your best when it's complete, use nice clean bedding. Nothing is quite as relaxing as slipping under crisp clean sheets when it's time for bed. Clean bedding will not only make your bed look crisp and help you feel refreshed, but it will be easier to lay down and get right. 3. Gather all your blankets, pillows, and sheets. Gather up all your bedding and place it together next to your bed. Try making stacks of similar items, keeping everything organized and increasing your workflow. For example, stack your bedding in order of when you need it. Put all your sheets together first. Keep all your pillowcases together and close to your pillows. You may also want to iron your bedding like your sheets and pillowcases. Ironing will get rid of any wrinkles and creases, allowing you to experience a smooth, crisp, flat surface to rest on. When it comes to the type of bedding you need to make a hotel-quality bed, it's largely personal preference. To start, get the right size bedding. If you have a queen-sized bed, get queen-sized bedding. The weight of your duvet and duvet cover are also preference. However, hotels typically use a medium-weight feather down. Thread count will somewhat factor in how comfortable your sheets are. But the type of material and thread length of thread are the real factors. Sheets with a thread count between 500 and 800 are generally considered to be more of a premium quality. When looking for sheets, pure 100% Egyptian cotton will be the softest and likely most expensive. 100% Pima cotton will also be extremely comfortable, though not quite the same quality as Egyptian cotton. Look for bedding that also has a longer thread. Shorter threads can poke out of the stitching and feel scratchy. 4. Make sure your mattress is free of dirt, dust, and debris. Since you're starting with a blank canvas, make sure that your mattress is clean as well. To clean your mattress, use the upholstery attachment on your vacuum. Press down firmly and go over the top and sides of your mattress. If you have stains, you can use an upholstery stain remover. Vacuuming and lifting stains from your mattress will also rid it of dust mites and odors, which could otherwise cause allergies and affect your quality of sleep. You'll feel a lot better and more comfortable knowing that there's nothing gross under your fitted sheet. Part 2. Making your bed. 1. Put the fitted sheet on the bed. Start with your clean and crisp fitted sheet. This is the sheet that has the rounded elastic corners. Place the sheet around your mattress and pull it taut in each corner. The elastic portion of each corner should be tucked in under the corners of your mattress. The seam at each corner of the sheet should be in the middle of the mattress corners. 2. Lay your first of 2 flat sheets down. The first flat sheet lays down on top of your fitted sheet. Put the first flat sheet on the bed and make sure that your sheet reaches to the edge of the mattress where your headboard is. Lay the sheet down so that it drapes evenly over each side of the bed. Lay the sheet with the finished side facing down, toward your fitted sheet. Flatten the sheet and pull it taut on each side so there are no wrinkles. 3. Lay a light blanket down on top of your first sheet. Align the blanket to match the sheet. You will want to use a light blanket that is made of cotton or linen. Flatten the blanket out and pull it at the corners to meet the corners of your sheet. Fold the portion of the blanket toward your headboard down to where your shoulders or chest will be when laying in the bed. 4. Lay down your third sheet. This is your second actual sheet, but your third layer, because you've placed a blanket. The third sheet will go above your light blanket. Lay it with the finished side facing down toward the mattress. Align the third sheet to match with the placement of the first sheet. Bring the top of this sheet to align perfectly with the edge of your mattress at the headboard. Flatten the third sheet with your hands and pull it taut at all corners. 5. Sandwich the top sheet between the blanket and first sheet. Fold down the top edge of the third sheet over the top edge of your blanket. Take the portion of your third sheet that extends past the blanket and fold it back so it's now between the blanket and your first sheet. Fold and flatten the portion of the sheet under the blanket so it rests perfectly flat. 6. Fold the top sheet down toward the foot of the bed. Now take the top of your first sheet, which is still flush with the edge of the mattress edge on the headboard side. Fold the portion of this first sheet that extends past the edge of the blanket and the third sheet back over the top of the blanket and third sheet. This portion of your first sheet will now be on top of the other two layers. Flatten the edge facing the headboard to give your bed a smooth, crisp look. How far down you fold your sheets will depend on how many pillows you plan to place on your bed. You want your sheets to end where your pillows start. 7. Fold in the corners. Next, you will fold the corners at the foot of the bed. Take all 3 layers at one corner and pull taut. Flatten the sheets at the foot of the bed. The excess fabric that still needs to be tucked under the mattress will form a triangle shape. Bring the leftover fabric down and over toward the foot of the bed. It will create an envelope-like look. Then fold the remaining fabric under the mattress. To get a nice envelope look, run your finger down the side of the bed at a 45-degree angle. Do this while pulling the sheets taut with your other hand. This creates an imaginary triangle. Fold the triangle portion of sheets at the bottom under your mattress. Tuck in the rest of the sheets and smooth to remove wrinkles. Do this for both sides of the bed. 8. Place your comforter, or duvet cover, onto the bed. Lay the comforter down with the top edge about 3 inches, 7.6 centimeters, from the headboard. Without letting go, throw the comforter on your bed and let it float down on top of your sheets. This motion will allow it to retain fluff. Pull the corners taut and equally distributed on both sides of the bed. Then fold the top of the comforter back in a rectangle to leave room for your pillows. 9. Place your pillows in the correct pillowcases and fluff appropriately. Then arrange the pillows to your preference. The amount of pillows and styles you use is up to you. The only requirement is that you use the same number for each side of the bed. Place the pillows in a symmetrical arrangement on each side. Once the pillows are laid, you may unfold your duvet cover slightly to meet the pillows. 10. Lay a throw blanket down if you so desire. You may add a throw blanket over your duvet cover if you wish to accent your bed any further. Depending on the size of your throw, fold it into a rectangle and gently lay it on the duvet cover toward the bottom third of your bed. Do not let any of the throw extend over the foot of the bed. It will make your bed look sloppy and uninviting. Part 3. Adding to the ambience. 1. Consider the color scheme. If you want the true hotel experience, invest in high thread count sheets and go all white. White is a symbol of luxury, and an all-white bed will make you feel luxurious and relaxed. White looks clean and inviting and will alter your mind and body to give you a quality rest. Sheets that are 300 thread count or higher will have a large impact on how comfortable you are and how well you rest. When you are comfortable, you get better sleep. 2. Add more pillows. Invest in a few different types of pillows. Hotels offer a range of pillow types to give you the freedom to choose and an ultra plush experience. Don't overdo it. But create a variety with feather and down alternative, and a boudoir pillow. These options give you variety and allow you to arrange pillows in a way that makes you feel comfortable and swaddled. 5 pillows is a good balance. 3. Invest in your mattress and bedding. No amount of preparation and attention to precise detail will counter an uncomfortable mattress. To truly get that floating on a cloud hotel bed feeling, invest in a mattress that is right for you. Whether it's a foam, feather, or adjustable mattress, find one that provides you with the most comfort. If you don't get a sound rest and feel comfortable, you'll be tossing and turning all night, ruining all your hard work. 4. Add a DIY turn-down service ritual. You've been diligent and done a lot of hard work to make your bed look perfect and inviting. Make going to bed a ritual that allows you to enjoy your work. When it's time for bed, dim the lights. Light a candle or turn on an aroma diffuser. Then slowly pull back the sheets and enjoy the crisp, inviting fabric as you slip into bed. To further enhance your nighttime ritual, get rid of any blue light sources. Blue light throws off our body's circadian rhythm and prevents you from sleeping properly. Blue light is often found in screens from our phones, tablets, and computers. Instead of falling asleep to the TV, read a book. Tips. Use clean sheets and iron everything for the best look. Place your firmer pillows behind your softer ones. The firm pillows will provide support to the softer pillows and make your bed look crisp and put together. Make sure that any lines on your sheets are running vertically. Don't rush the making of your bed. Precision is key to achieving the hotel look. And you'll enjoy your work more if it looks its best. Use white sheets and pillows to add to the luxurious look and feel.